What's up, online shoppers? I just got this great new game in the mail today. It is the Gravity Maze, which is the falling marble logic game, and I think that this is going to be a fun addition to family game night. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So this is rated for anybody 8 and up, and here is what you get out of the box. An instruction manual. Here is your game surface for play. We've got the Gravity Maze challenge cards. Now this goes beginner to expert, and there are 60 cards in here. So I'm just going to open it up and see what it looks like. So these cards range everywhere from beginner to intermediate to advanced to expert. We have got everything out of the box now. So I'm just going to pull a beginner card, and it's going to give you instructions on here how to place these cubes on here. Each of these little towers are designed to allow these marbles right here to roll through them somehow. I don't know if you can see this, a chute where the marble would come in here or here, and then it would come out this way. So you have to figure out how to put these marbles onto this structure to move your marble from whatever this is to this, the desired location. The little blocks will interconnect with each other, but some of them come pre-attached. So like the purple ones come pre-attached. The yellows are connected, the greens, the blues, and what have you. So I'm gonna start the game with this challenge here, which means I have to get a yellow tower here and drop the marble into the yellow tower and somehow get it over here into the red cube right here. Now the towers have these little indicators on the top, little black marks. Sometimes you can use those for figuring out which way the towers are supposed to go, like on here. And there we go. So this is my base, this is my challenge. I have to get this little marble here, from here to there. Now I have to come up with a solution for that. So you're gonna look at each of these, and each of these towers has these little directional chutes in here. Some of them go directed this way or this way. Some of them are straight through with a drop down. Some of them are a bit of a curve in here. You can see this one comes down like that. And then you place them. So you have to experiment and see, when I put the marble in here, where does it go? So that doesn't help me to get it here. So I'm gonna try a couple other things. Try it this way. Okay, and let's do gray, like that. So now I'm gonna give it a test with my marble. I'm gonna put my marble in and see if it ends up in the red. Eureka, we did it. Here is the marble where it's supposed to go. So this is a puzzle game, and it absolutely reinforces your spatial reasoning. You have to determine which combination of these towers is going to move the marble from here over to your intended destination, this little red cube right here. This could be hours of fun. Now there are 60 of these different cards, and if you're stuck, they do actually give you the answer on the back, the solution. Although this doesn't have to be the only one, you could use more pieces. This is the most direct A to B solution for how to solve this puzzle problem. The object of the game is to get your marble from here to there, and if you do that, you win. So this can be played with anywhere from 1+ players. Now, as I said before, the cards do come in beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert. So you could challenge somebody in the beginner round and then keep track of how many wins you get. You could also challenge somebody in the next level up. Lots of opportunities for fun family gameplay. Lots of opportunities to challenge your spatial reasoning and your logic and your skill. I definitely think this is a cool game that's going to give us hours of entertainment, and I really think this is going to be a family favorite at our house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.